Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Mystic Elements. We want to thank everybody for stopping by to check out our channel. Today is another lovely, beautiful day on the property out here. Weather is probably about 50 degrees this morning, but it is another beautiful day in sunny California. So we're going to be doing some work around the property today. I got some help with me. I got my nephew Joey. He's back again. Mr. Joey back there, YouTube famous. Everybody was liking Joey putting down his work, helping his uncle out here on the property, and we definitely appreciate Joey stopping by to show us some love and help us. I also got my boy Tay in the house. Tay out here putting it down. We don't know what we're doing today, but there's something to do everywhere on the property. So we're just going to play it by ear and enjoy our day out here working. Want to give a shout out to all of our new subscribers and all of our subscribers, period. We just started this channel and you guys are showing much love. So thank you guys very much. We have a lot that's going to be going on out here. We hope you guys stick around and enjoy the content. You know, suggestions. You guys have been giving us a lot of suggestions about things, you know, how to do and this and that. We appreciate that. We are definitely new to all of this, but we're focused and we are up to and out to learn. So if you guys got some tips, keep on sending them. We appreciate them. Some of the stuff we're working on, as you will see in some of the videos, is temporary fixes for now. Such as a container we were working on. But hey, we're up to do it. And again, we appreciate all of your support. So we're going to walk around here and get busy, kind of show you guys a few things. We got my boy and Joey out here just having fun, but stick around and see what we got going on for the day. So out here on the homestead off-grid property, you know, we got to have our fun too. So with that being said, you know, I'm walking around here looking at a few things, and I got my nephew and my boy Tay out there. They just having fun, doing their thing before we start working today. I guess they flying down the hill. Look at them. Let's see what they about to do.
Turn right, turn right.
And they ran into the bushes. Yeah. Yeah, you know, again, we got to have fun. It's not always about work. It's about enjoying life, and that's what we're out here to do. So we're about to get going. You know, before we get started right here, Joey, you know, was having a little fun out here again. We got to have fun out here on the property. It's not all about work.
Without melting, dog.
Go ahead, Joey. Go ahead and do your thing, man. Joey's taking a ride down memory lane. A fast ride down memory lane. Whoa! You seen the first ride here on Mystic Elements, y'all. Again, all work with no play is not the way to be. Yeah, this is funny. You guys having fun out there. We also want to introduce our local dog, Sheba. We named her Sheba. She comes to the property. She hears us pull up here at the property, and Sheba will come out here to play. She is very good for helping with trees. If we're cutting trees and throwing trees, Sheba is definitely picking up the trees, picking up rocks, pine cones, all that good stuff, and running throughout the property and putting them in her own little pile. So we want to thank you, Sheba. We definitely want to make sure that we are taking the time out to enjoy life. You know, we're so wrapped up and consumed with the day-to-day, daily activities, you know, pleasing other people of the world and stuff like that, our employers or, you know, other people to fit in with society. But you have to take time out for yourself. You know, we're too busy wrapped up being programmed to what society think we should do and, you know, what they think is right. But this is your life, your mission, your journey. You're going to have to do these things for yourself. No one's going to tell you to take the time out and do that. And when people do give you that advice, a lot of times people will find reason to not take the time out to do things for themselves. You know, we're so wrapped up working that 9 to 5, paying off other people's mortgages. You can be debt free, you know, save up, put your focus towards making yourself happy. And that's what you want to do. Life is short, you know, and we need to make the best of it. So with that being said, you know, take the time out to enjoy life, man. I mean, you know, we have so many people that came before us that, you know, their whole focus was paying bills, taking care of, you know, the family, stuff like that. Not to say you should not take care of your family. That should be a priority. But again, you have to find time for yourself. Most people they'll be happy. Your bosses out there in your job, they're happy, you know, probably living in mansions and stuff out there. I know the person I work for lives in a mansion. I mean, you know, and not to hate against them, they found the tools and the way to make things happen. So we need to do the same. You know, take time out of your daily activity, your daily life, chores or whatever, and do something for yourself. Treat yourself. Do something. Laugh. Smile. Laugh so hard you just start to cry. That's what you got to do sometimes to make yourself happy. You know, we seem to lost that part of us, of life, is finding our happiness. You know, making other people, just making them happy, doing what they want. So we lost that, you know, trying to make sure we do the things that it takes to survive. But you're number one. You got to put yourself first. You got to find out what works for you.